Well, I am sitting here with no power. Got my laptop over there, but it's on a battery. I have no power whatsoever, but I do have a battery backup for my server rack. You can probably hear it beeping. It's indicating we got 134 minutes, a little bit over 2 hours to keep us internet. We have one internet back there running. See it flashing back there. We have another modem down here. Good old blazing hog. We have power to it. We got external antennas right there on it. She's given internet with no issue so far. Everything else is running. Everybody's on their tablet or laptop or cell phone, whatever they got that does not have to be plugged in. Everybody still got internet. Let's get back over here on my laptop and see what we're doing, see if we dropped any speed or anything, which I doubt if we did. We're going to give it a shot and see what kind of speed we have. Speed test. Right in the middle of a hurricane right now. Wind's blowing like crazy. Got an antenna outside. And we're still running the internet. $31 and basically 10. He's got wind just ripping out there. Right in the middle of a hurricane here. Yeah. Wind blowing like crazy. That's alright, we still got our internet. We all good. And I got batteries, backup for the batteries. We still good for an hour and 33 minutes. Check some antennas that we got outside. Alright, we don't know if we're going to see it or not. Yeah, the antenna's up there. We got the TV antenna. TV antenna. We got an AP, and then we got the big square one there that is for the internet for the blazing hog, and she's holding up well in all this storm. Nice. Alright, we got good old internet still running. 32. This is all wireless now, I'm not plugged in, so. But 32 is not bad wireless, and we're about a good 12 feet away. One more time. Come on, 30. Come on, 30. Yeah, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, now sometimes we get on up there in 50. At the right time of the day. If it's plugged in to the internet instead of wireless, we get 40, 50. And we'll get like 15, 19 uploads if it's plugged in. This is wireless. Yeah. All day long. Now, if you want to get Blazing Hog and see if you can get it in your area, if you can't get high speed internet and you don't want to use satellite and have any data cap and all that and throttle down and all that, well, here's the information you need to call you need to call 1-888-360-7062 and mention SR32669, and you'll save $49.99. Blazing Hog. That right there is all you need. Give them a call and they'll let you know if you can have in your area or not. All you need. Call that number, 1-888-306-7062. Give them that reference number right there, SR32669, and you'll save $49.99. Hopefully it's in your area. Give them a call and they'll let you know. The Blazing Hog. All right, it is the next day. We have still internet. Blazing Hog down here, still kicking. Held us out when we didn't have no power. We got a battery backup over here. Kept us internet. The other provider that we have over there still hasn't got theirs fixed yet. And it's late in the afternoon. They said it would be fixed by 1:30. Ha! No, it ain't. Good old Blazing Hog. Get your battery back up. Get your Blazing Hog. Plug it in. If you're too far away, put a outside antenna. You'll be ready to go.